Hello, and thanks for watching. I'm Francis, an enterprise architecture consultant here in Ardoq. In this video, we're going to speed up your workflow by creating a report from the new data inventory module. If you build reports frequently and want a faster way to handle complex data, then this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the two main steps. Firstly, preparing the data in the data inventory module, and second, designing the final presentation in the report builder. Let's dive in. All right, so let's build an application catalog report. First things first, we need to prepare our data in the data inventory module. So let's open the data inventory module. I'll navigate there now. To narrow our scope, I'm going to set our focus component to be of type application. Instantly, all our applications appear in the first column. And to add more detail to our report, I can simply choose the column selector to pull in any other information that I like. For example, specific fields, or even linked components to these applications. It's starting to look fantastic. Next, I want to filter this list to only show those applications that are live and have a cost of over $250,000. To do this, I'll simply apply the filters to the column headers. First, for lifecycle phase, I'm going to select only those applications that are live. And next to the total cost column header, I'm going to set one so that we're looking at only applications that are above $250,000. See how easy it is to focus on the exact data that you need? I'm happy with this result, so let's move on to the next step, which is converting this report. That's the easier part. Let's click on Save as Report. And this brings us into the report builder. I'll start by typing in a name for our report. And check this out. For a great time saver, you can ask the Ardoq AI to write a description for you. It's perfect for explaining what the report shows to anyone who sees it. And here's that aha moment. Notice that the report's data selection and query rules have been automatically created for you. And everything we just did in the data inventory module, like the filtering, the column choices, have been carried over. This means you can skip over the complex setup and now focus just on the presentation. For example, you can easily reorder the columns. And if required, you can even rename the column headers to make the report perfect for your audience. Click Save, and don't forget to copy the report URL and share it with your audience. And that's just it. An easy way to create a report using the new data inventory module. I hope you found this useful. Check out the rest of the playlist for more quick tips. And if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to your CSM.